Someone to love, somebody new. Someone to love, someone like you. Love, love me do. You know I love you. I'll always be true. So please, love me do. This is Ben Brown with MoreThanGuitar.com, and in this video, how to play Love Me Do by the Beatles. This is a great song for beginners because it uses one of the easiest chord changes that I know. In fact, the whole song is so simple, I think it's a tribute to the genius of the Beatles' songwriting. First chord we're going to play is a G7. Your first finger is going to go on the first string, first fret. Middle finger goes on the fifth string, second fret. And your ring finger reaches all the way across and gets the sixth string on the third fret. And you play all six strings. Now we're going to move from that to a C chord, which is just this. Okay, you barely saw my fingers move, and yours won't either. Your first finger is simply going from the first string to the second string. First string, second. Now you want to get a good arch, so you play the open E. But it's just first string, second string, both on the first fret. Your middle finger is going from the fifth string to the fourth string. Fifth string, fourth string. Your ring finger is moving from the sixth string to the fifth string. So really, you're playing the G7 chord, and then you just kind of condense it. Pull your fingers in tighter. Play 5 strings. Back. And you're playing the song. Love me do. Next chord is a D. We're going to move to the D from the G chord, since you do that a lot in the song. These two fingers are going to move both together as a unit, maintaining the same spacing, so they're almost in exactly the same position. Almost like the designers of the guitar planned this. Isn't that weird? So, take these two fingers, move them all the way down to the first two strings, middle finger, first string, second fret, ring finger, second string, third fret. And now again, your first finger is going to join in and play the third string on the second fret, and you're going to play 4 strings. The strumming pattern for this is a nice easy shuffle. Down, 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 1, 2, and 3, where the downbeat is longer than the upbeat. It kind of gives you a horse riding feeling. The other thing you're hearing me throw in there is I'm kind of accenting the root note on the 1, and skipping the and, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. If you get more than one string at the top, that doesn't really matter. If you get the wrong string at the top, it doesn't matter that much. And of course, you got that tacit, which means you hold the note out. Love me do, oh, love me do. When you get to the bridge, it's pretty much the same thing. You're going to start on the D chord. Someone to love, somebody new. Until you get to the G, and then you're going to give it a 1. Just nice strong downbeats. Someone to love, somebody new. And the same on the D. Oh, you'll notice I wrote a G chord on the bridge. Well, you can play a G7 on it. It's just they kind of go straight to a G for a stronger cadence. To play the regular G chord, simply take the G7 and put your pinky down on the first string, third fret. Play all 6 strings. Now, like everything else I show you, start off slow, get your G7 in place. And don't do what I call a spider dance, pick your fingers up and wiggle them around to give them position. No, just start here. First finger over, with these 2 fingers over. Move them back. Try to move them all at the same time. Give yourself plenty of time. And then when you start playing it at rhythm, same thing. Give yourself plenty of time. Love, love me do. Don't miss the downbeat, but go like 1, 2, 3, change, 1, 2, 3, change, 1, 2, 3, change. So you're keeping the steady beat, but you're giving your fingers plenty of time to move around. Don't forget to check below for a link to the chord chart and other songs that you might like to learn. There's also a big blank space down at the bottom. That's for your comments. If you feel like I've left anything out or you just don't understand something, please feel free to ask. This is Ben Brown with MoreThanGuitar.com, and this has been How to Play Love Me Do by the Beatles.